Hey, David, good morning.
Good morning, Anna. How's everything going?
Not too bad. I'm a little sleepy, though. I didn't get much rest last night.
Oh no, why? Couldn't fall asleep?
Yeah, I guess my mind was just racing. Too many things to think about.
I know the feeling. I had one of those nights last week.
How's your morning been so far?
Pretty good. I woke up early, went for a quick jog, and had a big breakfast.
Wow, that's productive. I just had some coffee and rushed out the door.
Coffee is a good start. Are you heading to work now?
Yeah, we have a team meeting at 9. I hope it doesn't last too long.
Meetings. Always longer than expected. What's the meeting about?
Project updates. We're behind schedule, so the manager wants to know why.
That sounds stressful. Do you have a lot to do today?
Yes, I have to finish a report and send some emails. What about you?
It's a bit of a quiet day for me, just working on a presentation for next week.
That's good. At least you don't have to rush.
True, I'm trying to take it easy today. Maybe I'll leave a bit early if I can.
That sounds nice. Got any plans for the evening?
I might go out for dinner with some friends. Nothing fancy, just a casual night.
That sounds fun. I think I'll just stay home and relax.
Sometimes that's the best plan. A good movie and some snacks?
Exactly. Maybe I'll finally finish that series I've been watching.
Which one?
Stranger Things. I'm on the last season.
Oh, I love that show. So many twists.
I know. I didn't expect half of what happened.
Same here. Let me know what you think when you finish it.
Will do. All right. I should get going or I'll be late.
Same here. Good luck with the meeting.
Thanks, and enjoy your relaxing day.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
Bye.